Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We have one of the largest selections of new and used Class B RVs in the whole United States of America. We are the #1 Roadtrek dealer, so we get the latest and the greatest, all the new products from Roadtrek. We love Roadtrek. Today, I can't wait to show you this Roadtrek Play. This model debuted in the Tampa Super Show last week, and we got the first one in the country. So this is going to be the first video done on it. We did a sneak peek, but this is going to be the first walkthrough of the Roadtrek Play. I love the Roadtrek Play. I think this is a great little RV. You know, Roadtrek has been making Class B RVs since the 70s, and every couple of years they're coming out with new models, new innovations, new things that just wow the Class B RV community. And I think they really did a great job with this Roadtrek Play, how simple it is, how easy everything is to use, how affordable it is, and how if you just want a Class B RV for the weekends or for some extended time, this one can do everything. So I can't wait to show you this Roadtrek Play. I'm excited about it. I think you're gonna love it too. So Roadtrek always likes to make some things himself and come up with some different ways of doing something that everybody else has. And one of the cool things they've done is they've made this screen themselves. This is a pretty neat screen. So it's strong enough to stop your dog or cat from coming outside, but easy enough to use to where you can go in and out easy. So I like it. There is a zipper so you can get it completely out of the way, but it's also done by magnet. So you can just open it and close it. But dogs, I mean, I guess some dogs could plow their way through it, but typically a dog's not gonna plow their way through it. So I don't know. I thought it was worth showing you guys this screen separate. I think it's great, but I can't wait to really show you what's inside the coach. Okay, so now we're inside this all new Roadtrek Play. You can see it has a lot of the same qualities as a Roadtrek Zion, but it has the same cabinetry, it has the same overall layout, the same bathroom, fridge, kitchen area. The bed situation's a little different. It's permanent twin size beds, very thick, very nice, comfortable beds, but it has all the same bones as a Zion. It's just, you know, some of the things that they decided not to put in the Play make it more affordable, make it to where this is a price point that a lot more people can afford that can get you out camping. You know, some people are like, man, I can't afford one of these Class B RVs until I retire. They're just so expensive. But Roadtrek came out with this Play in order to get people out camping prior to making such a large investment, prior to retirement. This is significantly cheaper than a lot of the other Roadtreks or Class B RVs in general, but you're not really missing that much. I mean, you have 400 AGM batteries, so a nice big AGM battery. You still have the underhood generator. You got capability of adding solar. You have a 3,000 watt inverter on board currently. You have the nice big elevated fridge. You got the nice big pantry that Roadtrek offers. Nice big, I mean, there's all types of storage. Like I said, this is all the exact same as a Roadtrek Zion. Now, you know, some of the places, like there's no granite, there's not a power step, but you know, some people don't mind that. You know, if you're looking for something, a nice Class B RV to use on the weekends, to get out and play, as they call it, this is Roadtrek Play, to get out and play, this is a perfect coach. I remember seeing a little commercial where a bunch of people were out camping with their tents and one guy pulled up in his little Class B RV and everyone got all jealous. This is the Class B RV. You want to pull up to all your buddies camping in their tents and you pull up in one of these and you'll make the whole campground jealous, because this is such a cool Dodge ProMaster 20-foot long Class B RV. So like I said, you know, Roadtrek's been innovating. Roadtrek has been doing a lot of cool stuff for a long time. And this is a great example of that. So even as we're walking back here, these beds, I mean, it has full-time permanent beds. The heads of the beds, they can recline, go up and down for comfort. This can be one big bed. It can be a king size bed, or you can leave it 2 twins. I mean, look how thick this this is how thick this mattress is. I mean, it's nice and firm, very high quality. You know, Roadtrek definitely didn't cheapen out in some of the real important areas of this coach. You know, this one doesn't have a TV currently. It is an option, but we will put a TV in there. We'll put some solar on the roof, and I think this is going to serve a lot of purposes in the Class B community. You know, I just love this underhood generator that this has. It doesn't have the Awning generator. It has an underhood generator that generates power. So anytime your engine's on, your AC can be running, your microwave can run, your fridge, every light, every fan, everything in the coach can work when your engine's running. Because of the 3,000 watt inverter, because of the underhood generator. You know, this one also has a power awning. It also has all the safety features, a high contented Dodge chassis. So it has all the safety features. It has the backup camera, power windows, power locks, the tow package, the alloy wheels. So all the stuff you're used to in a ProMaster, this Roadtrek Play has. So like it has that rear screen and the front screen. So these doors open, I mean, I can feel a real nice breeze going through here. So when you're out camping, you have the back doors open, have the side doors, have those screens down, and you can really get a great camping experience in this coach. So Roadtrek did a great job. You know, they've made all types of models throughout the years. You know, when they made the Play, they said, Nick, we're coming out with something that is gonna have all the same comforts of any other Class B RV, but it's gonna be at a much lower price point. So that's what's so great about this coach. Plus the high quality. You know, Roadtrek's, their mantra right now is we're putting out a quality product. Everything they have has a 2-year warranty. They truly stand behind their coach. They know that people are going to appreciate the 2-year warranty. Most of the other coaches in the market have a 1-year warranty. Having 2 years really helps out the consumer. It helps out you guys watching this. So anyways, we're with Sunshine State RVs. We have the largest selection of Class B RVs in the country, all in one location. We are a proud Roadtrek dealer. We have lots of these Roadtreks on the ground in stock right now. This is the brand new Roadtrek Play, first one in the country, first video. It debuted last week at the Tampa show. I think if you look at the pictures, you watch this video, you're gonna fall in love with this Roadtrek Play. So thanks for watching. My name's Nick. We do ship these for free anywhere in the country. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again.